Welcome everyone to this presentation on the signed numbers. Today, we will discuss about signed integers and how to deal basic arithmetic operations with them. Consider the number line. The numbers to the right of 0 are considered as positive numbers, while the numbers to the left of 0 are considered negative numbers. In a number line, the numbers on the right is always greater than the numbers on the left. Say negative 3 is greater than negative 6. It's because negative 3 is on the right of negative 6. In some sense, it is better to owe 100 pesos than to owe 1,000 pesos. In short, we have negative 100 is greater than negative 1,000. In adding integers with the same signs, we add their absolute values and attach the common sign. Say 4 plus 6 is equals to 10, and negative 3 plus negative 4, so we take the absolute value of negative 3 and negative 4, so we have 3 plus 4 is equals to 7, and attach their common sign, which is negative. We can also multiply the positive and negative so that we can have negative 3 minus negative 4. Which is equal to negative 7. In adding integers with different signs, we subtract their absolute values and attach the sign of the numbers with greater absolute value. Say for instance, negative 4 plus 6. So negative 4 plus 6, or you can say 6 minus 4, which is equal to 2. Since the sign of the largest number, which is 6, is positive, so we take positive 2. Next, we have 5 plus negative 9, so we take 9 minus 5, which is 4, and since the sign of the largest number, which is negative 9 is negative, so we take negative 4 as our final answer. Next is some tricks to multiply, to add or subtract numbers. So we multiply the signs. So say for instance, 7 plus negative 11 can be written as 7 minus 11. And so we take 11 minus 7, which is 4. And so since the sign of 11 is negative, so we take negative 4. On the other hand, we have negative 3 minus negative 7 is the same as negative 3 plus 7, which is equal to positive 4. This is one of the biggest mistakes of some students. Negative 3 minus negative 7 is equal to negative 10. Take note that you should multiply the negative signs to negative 7. Multiplication and division of integers. Rule number 1, the product and quotient of two integers with the same signs is positive number. Say for instance, negative 7 times negative 4, the answer is positive 28. On the other hand, we have 5 times 3 is equal to 15. Also, we have negative 42 divided by negative 7 is equal to negative 6, since these numbers have the same signs. Lastly, we have 48 over 6 is equals to 8, since 48 and 6 have the same positive sign. Rule number 2. The product and quotient of two integers with different signs is a negative number. Say for instance, 7 times negative 4, the answer is negative 28, since 7 and negative 4 have different signs. On the other hand, negative 5 times 3 is equals to negative 15. So the answer is negative, since negative 5 and positive 3 have different signs. Also, negative 15 over 5 is equal to negative 3, and 72 over negative 12 is equals to negative 6, since the numerator and denominator have different signs, so their quotient is a negative number. That's all about the signed numbers. Keep paddling and bugsay pa more.